Welcome to MVCC Learning Commons Statistics Extras. Today we will be talking about qualitative and quantitative data. I will also be talking about their subcategories and give examples for each. So first, we will talk about qualitative and quantitative. So for qualitative data, it is a type of quality or description for the data. So for music, if we were to talk about music, a specific quality could be the type of music you're listening to. So it could be something like pop music, or even rap, or it could be rock music. Those are descriptions for the type of music you're listening to. For quantitative data, this is going to be a quantity. Or a number. So for something that would be quantitative, this could be maybe like the number of downloads. Or even the length of the song. So these are qualitative and quantitative. It's either going to be a quality or a quantity. So next, we're talking about subcategories. So for qualitative, we have nominal and ordinal. So for nominal, this is going to be something that doesn't have a natural order. So this is no natural order. So if we're talking about a description that doesn't have a natural order, we could be talking about something maybe like song titles. Right? These are descriptions. All of your songs have a name, but we don't necessarily have any specific way of putting them in order. Alphabetical order doesn't count here. We can just kind of arrange them in any order. It doesn't really matter. But now for ordinal, this one would have a natural order to it. So now this is something that is a description that has an order. So this could be something like album ratings. So if we are talking about an album on the charts, so if it's number 1 in the country or number 2 in the country, things like that, this would be an ordinal thing. So now if we talk about quantitative data, this is going to be continuous and discrete. So remember, quantitative are things that have a number. So continuous are going to be things that you can measure. So you want to think of distance and time, people's weight, things like that. Those are things that you can measure. But now again, if we're talking about music, we want to think about something we can measure. And that might be something like how long a song plays. So if we think about the time that a song plays. That could be something that you could measure. Each song has a different amount of time, and you can measure that. So now for discrete, these are things that you can count. That's the difference between discrete and continuous. So this is something that you count. These are going to be whole numbers. So if we are counting something in music, we could say maybe how many concerts are in a tour. You can't do 1.5 concerts. You do 1 concert or 2 concerts. You have a whole list of them. You can't do really half of a concert. You either do one or you don't. So these are the different types of ways you can describe data, whether qualitative or quantitative, and then there are different subcategories. So I hope this explains all of the different ways that you can describe your data. And if you have any other questions, please come see us in the Learning Commons. Thank you.